Civil Service Exam Reviewer. General information. Philippine Constitution. The right to vote is also known as blank. A. Suffrage. B. Naturalization. C. Democracy. D. Plebiscite. The correct answer is letter A. Suffrage. A foreigner may acquire Filipino citizenship through A. Naturalization. B. Extradition. C. Rebirth. D. Visa application. The correct answer is letter A. Naturalization. Who among the following may issue a warrant of arrest or a search warrant? A. A senator. B. A judge. C. A congressman. D. The president. The correct answer is letter B. A judge. What is the power of the state to take private property for public use upon payment of a just compensation? A. Right of confiscation. B. Right of limiting resources. C. Right of sequestration. D. Right of eminent domain. The correct answer is letter D. Right of eminent domain. What form of government does the Philippines adopt? A. Republican. B. Democratic. C. Neither A nor B. D. Both A and B. The correct answer is letter D. Both A and B. Did you get them all right?